everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green, and this is yours?
This is mine, yeah. So I've got actually a massive wax plug for you to start off with, a real chunky one for you to start off with. We got wax plugs, we got cotton wool balls, and we've got another big plug bit later on as well. So we've got lots for you to see today, guys. So we've got the Jobs and Horn in here. So this is actually one of Neil's tools, and he's designed... redesigned, I should say, so some of the tools we use, the standard tools. Yeah. This is a very, very dry plug here, and you can see with this tool we've got that tapered end on it, so it just comes to a little bit of a point,
brittle,
which is handy for these drier plugs. But I was really hoping we were going to kind of scoop into it, and then you'll get like this. Yeah. That bottom section there is moving, but I was hoping the whole plug was going to come out at this point. And you can see I've kind of got this bit of dry wax stuck to the camera, so just move that out of the way so you guys can see what's coming out. But look at this bad boy coming out here.
Oh, just a really long one.
I think it was, yeah. Look at it. Watch now, guys. Watch. Watch.
Keep watching.
Keep watching. Don't look anywhere else apart from the screen. Keep looking at the screen. You're going to miss it. Look, it's not heavy. I can't even pick it up. Look at that bad boy. Woo. Do you like that one? I told you it was a good one. You've got to start believing Rhys Barber when he tells me these things, right? It's a good one, I told you.
Looks like one of those like elephant caterpillars.
It does, yeah, it's like a witchy grub.
Yeah.
But yeah, here you go. Just a bit of tidy up to do around the outside edge now. The patient, when I showed them that plug that came out, oh my goodness, their jaw at the floor. They were like, what? And then we look at the other side and we've got, not quite as big. I was hoping we were going to get another really massive one on this side. But this is a little bit softer. It doesn't all come away as one piece, unfortunately. It's still pretty chunky though. So I've got the Jobs and Horn back in. You can see the consistency is totally different straight away. It's that kind of sugar butter mix consistency. Oh, I tell you what it is. You know when you get honey and you've left it and it's kind of granulated to the bottom. Yeah. It's that kind of look to it. Yeah. But it's super duper sticky. And that's the difference. The other side was really, really dry. Now this was super sticky. And you can see I'm trying to detach all the edges first from the canal wall. There we go, let's get that bit out. There we are. And then we're just going to grab this piece. There we go, out that comes. And then, yeah, look at this now. Yeah, this is where it gets more complex now. This is because it was quite a long video, this one. I think we edited it down to 6 minutes, but it's because of this piece. This was the problem piece, because the other side, although it was a massive plug, because it was so super duper dry, it came out really relatively easily. Now this is an odd consistency because it's got sticky wax surrounding a kind of a central dry core that's sitting right in front of the eardrum. So olive oil's gone in here. You can see there's a lot of olive oil's gone in here. So I'm just going to
around it.
Yeah, I just want to get just penetrate, not so much into it because it won't in that short period of time, but you know, get underneath it, because I can see we've got this kind of lip. There we go. We're getting a little bit of movement. Now I'm trying to pull, but I can see it's this left-hand side here that's holding this in. There you go. Oh, there we are.
Lovely.
Back at that. So not a small piece there, and that kind of grey material you can see underneath it, that's actually some dry skin that's embedded into the bottom of the wax. I think this is, I honestly can't remember this bottom bit. I can't remember whether it's wax or whether it's skin. But you can see it's a very, very thin. Yeah. And sometimes you're lucky and this will peel, like a bit of dead skin will peel the whole thing. Other times you're really unlucky and it peels like this, which is just in tiny bits. So I'm going to peel as much of this as I can. It's not really causing any problems as far as the hearing's concerned. There we go.
Oh, that came away.
It came away all right. It kind of looped around the back and brought out that back section. There we are. I'm just going to try and get this front little bit off. You can see beyond that outline on the eardrum where that wax plug was actually pressing against the drum. So the patient was having real kind of difficulties with both ears with this one as well. Yeah, it's just frustrating. I just want to get this last little bit off if I can. Yeah, that's not what you wanted to see.
No.
Let's see if I can just bring this section up as well. I really want to, the reason I'm trying to lift as much, I want to see where the edge of it is, and then I can shear from the edge then.
I've got a frog in my throat now.
Oh no.
You passed it on to me.
I did, yeah. I'm coughing over here.
Jump out.
Let's get this going. I think we'll leave it, because it looks like it's not really going to budge from this point. I think we leave it here in a second, just because it doesn't want to come away any more than that. It's really still quite attached.
Ooh, tiny bit down
It
there.
was, I thought I'm done now, and I saw this tiny little bit. And what I have to do is go beyond it and draw it backwards, because I can't quite get the grip. There you go. And I just want to lift him over the top of that recess, and then I can grip him. There you go.
And there we go.
Oh, no, it's not. I've gone back. I don't want to go in for this time. Oh, no, it's not the same bit. I think I edited the same bit twice. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Sorry, dude. So I've done it.
So nice, you get to see it twice.
Instant action replay on that one. There you go. Out it comes again. Sorry, dude. But look at the size of that plug.
Ooh, that's
chunky.
2.5 centimeters.
2.5 centimeters. Yeah, my goodness me. What's that in inches? Just under 2.5 inches. I'm going to go with that one.
About 6 centimeters altogether.
Chunky one.
This was mine. This was a really funny story, actually. I say a funny story. Patient actually booked in for a hearing test because they thought the hearing was getting really bad.
Yeah.
And believe it or not, this is the 3rd time I've taken a cotton wool bud out of this patient's ear canal.
Really?
Yep. And the husband was sitting in the corner. As soon as I took a look, I was like, it's cotton wool. He was like, I told you, we would need to throw these in the bin. You don't listen to me.
Oh my word.
So there was a bit of a domestic.
Going in?
I know. There's a bit of a domestic going on in the room as I was taking this out. But
oh my gosh.
Yeah, the second I took this out, patient's hearing just immediately just went back to its normal self. There is a bit of inflammation there, and you can see that's obviously where the cotton wool was pressing up against and where this been, poked and prodded.
Jeez, but they're going like all the way into the other side.
Yeah.
Blinking heck.
So yeah, patient has actually agreed to throw them out.
Yeah.
Whether or not that's happened, I don't know, but yeah.
So this is quite a deep plug, this one we can see here coming away. So it's very, 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 very deep. Lots of oil gone in already. There we are, starting to move. There we go. Now this actually looks very similar. At first glance I thought, I'm sure I've already edited this video in once, alright. But it's not, it looks like there was one we did earlier, a couple of videos back, that looked very, very similar to this one as well. But it's coming away really, really nicely.
Yeah.
And we just got this outer section here. Let's grab that. Nice, just one last little bit to come away. But yeah, we see this quite a bit. We get some very, very deep types of wax, but looking lovely and clear, but just lovely and quick, that one. So 1.5 inches, just under
3.5 centimeters.
Well guys, don't forget, if you want to get a sneaky little look at what comes up into the next video, make sure you stay tuned past our goodbyes and you'll see what's coming up next time on Audiology Associates. But thanks very much for watching our video today. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to always like, heart, share, follow and subscribe. And if you thoroughly enjoy the videos, we'd love it if you become members as well. That way then you get to see even more videos every single week. But as always guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green will see you again soon. Stay tuned for the sneaky peek. But bye everyone.
Bye-bye.